Come to DJH Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes AMG GLA Sport. It does come with a private plate with it. It's a rare petrol model. It's really lovely. Front park distance control, lovely diamond cut alloy wheels, gleaming black metallic, privacy glass to the rear, full AMG body styling as you can see, including the larger rear diffuser with a twin exhaust. It's the 4MATIC, so it's 4-wheel drive. But yeah, it is in lovely condition. Like I say, very rare being the petrol. They don't last long. Just open the rear tailgate. It's all in lovely condition. It's got the lovely, as usual, AMG half leather Alcantara with red stitch piping, and you know it's an AMG with that interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Absolutely stunning. Does not look like its age or mileage. Private plate helps it look newer. It's got all the specification as well. Shut this door. So it's done 80,808 miles. It's got the satellite navigation. All of them have this. Got heated seats, 3-stage heated seats. Passenger as well. Reverse camera. Paddle shift on the gearbox. Cruise control. Bluetooth connectivity. See, it's got Bluetooth streaming, Bluetooth audio streaming as well there. So it's got everything you need really. Climate control, air conditioning. Just test that. This isn't, oh yeah, that's blowing lovely and cold, that is. USB down there. Automatic headlights. The DJH with full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.